So this is the stabilizer trainer kit from Ohm Labs. So this trainer kit helps us in understanding the applications, that how a stabilizer protects electrical appliances from voltage fluctuations. It's that how it helps us control excessive voltage through a home appliance and how it controls voltage through a home appliance. So this is a stabilizer trainer kit. So here we have two LEDs. One is the green LED which indicates us the LED mains, and this red LED indicates us the overload voltage. Here in this stabilizer trainer kit we have a step up transformer, and here we also have an automatic electronic circuit which consists of a dimmer, which is basically an automatic cutoff at 240 volts. And then if we come here we have a switch which indicates us the input voltage of the load which we've attached here and the output voltage of the load which we've attached here. So the load here is a bulb which we've taken here, and this load which we have here is of the specs 230 volt. So if I switch this to input voltage, then here it indicates us the input voltage for this particular load, and then if I switch to the output voltage, so it indicates us the output voltage of this particular load. Now using this knob, I'll step up the transformer, and the specs of this load is 230 volts. So when the voltage exceeds above 230 volts, the red LED here will indicate us the overload voltage. This is all due to this automatic electronic circuit placed in the stabilizer trainer kit. And now I'll step up the voltage. So basically with every tap we are increasing the voltage by 5 volts. So as you can see that the voltage exceeded above 230 volts, which were the specs of this bulb which we have taken here as a load. So and we can see here in the red LED that it has indicated us with the overload voltage. So this is how basically a stabilizer trainer kit works. तो अगर आपकी इस प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी है या फिर अगर आप इस प्रोडक्ट को खरीदना चाहते हैं, देन आप स्क्रीन पे दी हुई ईमेल पे हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप इस प्रोडक्ट को www.scientificcart.com से भी बाय कर सकते हैं. ऐसी और अमेजिंग वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल ओम लैब्स को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.